Welcome to video animation class with Sir Clement Hub. Today's topic is creating text animation. So last time we talked on the Animiz Animation Maker interface, and I had to show you different buttons and sections, what they all mean. So we are going to go straight into how to create text on Animiz Animation Maker. If you are yet to download, go to my first video and you check the description section, and you're going to see the link where you're going to install and download this crack version of Animiz on your system. So how do we insert a text on our Animiz? Once you open your Animiz, this is the working environment. You click on new project, this is what you're going to see, and you're going to be given a blank scene. And to insert your text, you go to your right hand section and you're going to see a T there, the symbol T for text. Once you click on it, and you're going to see add text, you're going to see customize text here. You're going to choose whatever one that you want, any font format that you want. So I'll just click on add text, and once I click on add text, you will see there is a blue box that is attached to my cursor because I've clicked on that add text. So I carry it to my canvas and I double click on it. You will see it. So I want to write, the color is white here, so let me change it to black so that we can see. Once you click on it, you will see so many colors here, so let me change it to black so that we can see what we are typing. Let me type welcome to 2D video animation class. Okay, so that's it. You see it's going down. I can hold this here, and I drag it to my right for it to increase, or I bring it like this. Whatever way that you want, you can do the same. And here is to align it. You want to insert a bulletin, you can click on it to insert. Here is for the color. Then here is to increase the font size. Here is to decrease the font size. Let me increase it a little. And here is to bold it. Here is to italize. Here is to underline. If you want to underline, you can underline it here. Then this to align it to the left, align it to the center, so you shift it, and to the right to justify it. Let's bring it back to align to the center. Let's keep it there. Once I click on it, you will see this blue line here. Let me carry it to the middle. Then here is to edit the text. If I click on it, it will carry me back to this place. Okay, this one is to scroll to locate the object in the timeline. Now this is the timeline here, this bottom part here. Now if I double click on it, now if I click on this and click here, it's going to show me that this welcome to 2D, this is where it is found. This part here on the timeline, you see text here is found there. This way is to rotate it. If you want to delete it, you click on this to delete the object. Now we want to move this object to another position. Once you click on it, you hold it and you can move it. You see the icon that has 4 arrows. You can move it. Once you hold it and move it, you move it to any direction. Then also you can carry it to this other position by the side. Let's carry it by the side. You will see this, there's an icon that appears here in the form of a circle, half an arc, like an arc. Is for you to rotate. You want to rotate it to any part, you can rotate it, or you use this top one to rotate it to any position that you wish to rotate it to. Then if you carry it to this position, you will see a straight arrow. Increase the size for increasing and decreasing the size of your text. Okay, so from here also, once you are done writing your text, you will see so many things appearing on the timeline. The total duration from this to this, you can come and increase it to reduce the duration in the position that you want it. If I shift it from this position, you will see the X is changing and the Y is changing. If I reduce the width, you see this width and the height also is changing. If I want to change the font, I'll click on this and use something like copper. You see it's changing. I can also increase the size and also decrease the size depending on what I want to create. And also here is also to bold, underline, also to change the color. If I want to change the color, I can come and change the color if I want to. And here is to decrease and also increase the size. This for the increase the text spacing. If I want to decrease and also to increase the text spacing, decreasing and increasing. And this is there for the characters to increase, and here is to decrease the characters. Then this is for the alignment that I already showed. Then this is for the shadow. If you want to insert the shadow of the text, you click here to insert, and these properties will appear here. You want to change the fill color. Let me change it something like this, navy blue. You see it's showing navy blue. You want to show the distance. Maybe you want to increase the distance to 20. Let me say 20 and click OK. You see this is the distance that the shadow have been shown. Let me reduce it to, let me increase it to 9. That's the distance that it has showed. Let me reduce it to 4 and see what will happen. Okay, I think that one is okay. Then you can change the angle to whatever angle that you want. Let me change it to angle 90. See, it's changing. Whatever angle that you want, you can change. Then you want an inner shadow. You want it to show an inner shadow. You click on this to show an inner shadow. Then there is an advance on the text, on the word art that you can create using your text. Let's scroll down. You can use this one. Click on this to show this. There are different word art that you can use to beautify your text. Depending on the one that you want, you can click on it. If you want to remove the word art, you click on the first one and your word art will be removed. Then the opacity is for the advanced. You can reduce the opacity and increase it. This button here to increase and to also reduce. It shows once you increase it, the number is reducing here. You can just come here and type whatever you want and it will show. Then the fill type, you can choose it to be pure. For the fill type, that's the background color. You can choose it to be gradient. Then you can come and change the color to, let me say, yellow, and you change this other one, let me say, that's for the gradient. Or you can just choose none and nothing is showing, or you come and choose pure, or you choose gradient, whatever you want to choose. Then you can change the angle. If you want to change the angle to 10, you can change the angle. You see it's changing. And also the fill alpha. You want to put the border size. You see the border size is increasing. Let me change the border size to the border color to black. This is for the border color black. If I click on it, you see the border color. If I go back and scroll down to my advance and reduce the border color, you see the border color is very small. If I click on it, you can still go and remove the border color. I don't want it. You can also change the border color depending on what you want. Also, that's for the text. That's for the text that you are inserting. So that's for the properties of the text. And let me go back. You see there's no border color here. And for this text, you can click on it. The default one that we have here for the animation of the text is fading, and for the entrance animation it is fading, while for the exit animation it is always to display. So let's play it and see what will happen. Let me play it. Let me click on preview and you see it fading, and that's it. Now you can click on this and move it to the last part, or to this part, whatever you want it to move to. And also this fading, you can also increase it for it to take a very long time to fade in. For example, if I start and play it again, you see it takes a long time to fade in and display. Also, let me go back and return it back. Then if I want to change this fading, I want to change it, I'll just double click, I'll just right click on it and it will show add animation, replace animation, copy animation. So I'll just go to replace animation to replace the animation. There are so many animations that are available here. It's for you to choose the one that you want to use. You want non-animation, hand-drawn animation, custom animation. There are so many animations available. These are all the animations: emphasis, spot, erase, scene, particle. The erase ones, these you can use whatever. Just click on the one that you like to use. Then the text effect, you can use the hand drawn. If you want a hand to be showing while it is writing, you can also use it. But for now, let's use the slide up and click OK. Now that text is sliding up, let's go and edit it again more. Replace animation. Now this slide up, we can also change it to, let me say, let the thing zoom down, and let me increase the time it takes to zoom down That's for your intro. Now for the exit, we right click on it and click replace animation. There are so many animations available here. What that you want to do, let me use erase for it to erase out. If you click on it, it zooms and it erases. Now you can also replace this one also by keeping always display or clear to fuzzy. Reduce the zoom in and click play it. You see it clears out. So that's it. You can add more animation by clicking on these global symbols here. Just click on it and you will get more animations. For example, you can get the bullet, get the color changes, the complex. There are so many. You just have to try it out. So we just be trying it, the one that you want. But you want to use the borderline. Once you click on the borderline, the default color, let's go back. You see the animation color for the borderline is red. You can change it to be black, blue. Let's use blue for now. You can reduce the thickness to 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. Let's keep it at 4 and click OK. And also you can change the movement direction, maybe clockwise or counterclockwise, and click OK. Let me keep it to the middle. You can stay in. Let me keep it to the middle. Yes, let me increase it. Let's play it and see. Welcome. You see it's moving around it. So that's how you can add more animations to your text, and also to create your text and add animations to your text. So there are so many animations and effects that you can use on your text. You can also click on your text. You want to, then you right click. You will see modify entrance effect, add emphasis effect. You can also right click to insert whatever you want to do, or add border color, anything that you want to do. Like you want to modify your entrance effect, you can modify it. You don't want to use zoom in, you want to use another one, more button disappear or handwriting, whatever you want to use, you can also use it. Your entrance effect, or you want to modify your exit, if you want your always display, want your none or your custom, whatever you want. Let me use always display. I don't want it to leave the scene. So that's for your text animations, and that is how you create text and also add animations to your text. I hope you understand, class. If you don't understand, just leave the comment and I'm going to explain it to you and make it more clearer for you. Okay, so we have come to the end of today's class. On our next class, we'll be treating on adding characters. Those characters, how do you add characters to your Animiz Animation Maker? So see you next time. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye.